Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial, but my hair is not up in a towel because we're going to be doing second day hair. It is just days away from Christmas, and I know at this time of year we're all so busy and we're looking to shave off as much time as we can in our get ready routines, right? So I'm going to be showing you how you can restyle a short undercut pixie cut style of hair without having to wash your hair. Now I'm going to show you my true bed head. I got up this morning and actually it looked a little better than this because I've since showered and the steam from the shower brought out all these crazy curls. But let me show you the back here. All right, so the only thing I did last night before going to bed, I have a good old-fashioned pick. Who remembers these? So I picked through my hair. That is all we're going to do right now to start off and just kind of see what we're working with. Now, honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to do with my hair today, but we're gonna kind of fix it up and do it quickly. So by just combing it through, you can kind of see what we're working with. And I do use a product called Enjoy Dry Wax, which makes second day hair even easier. Now, I do not require any kind of dry shampoo. My hair does not get real oily or anything. So we're just going to now go right in with the blow dryer. Because this is a wax product, you can reheat it with the blow dryer and remold it. So as you're seeing here in the back, we have a very distinct flat spot where I laid my head on the pillow. I'm a back and side sleeper, so that is the primary spot that really gets it through the night. And then here in the front, you can see we've got these. This is where I have a little bit of some natural curl right here around the edge as well. And then right here at the base of the neck. Now this is what gets tricky when your hair is super short. So we're gonna start is I'm gonna add just a little bit of water on my fingers, and I am going to wet down the very edge of my hair. So on the sideburns, and as you can see, I am pulling that hair down because I need to straighten that. And then here on the bottom as well, through the crown here, I'm gonna add just a tiny little bit of some water through there, and I'm going to work my fingers up. And I think that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna go in with the blow dryer. I'm going to put it on high heat, but low fan speed. So here's where we are at after blow drying, and I did not finish on a cool speed because I like to have a little warmth in there so I can fluff any pieces that I need to while it's still warm. But you can see we've kind of started some corrections here at the back, and I wanted to just add some volume here. So now I have still a few little crazy curls in the front. I'm going to go in with my flat iron and just straighten out a few of those sections. And the key, I've had questions about how not to burn yourself with a flat iron, and especially in the front, The key is, and you'll see me always look down, when you grab the hair, look down, because if you look up, you're naturally going to connect your forehead with the flat iron. So just look down and pull through. Then you can look up. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Again, just flattening out these sides. My sideburns, I did pretty well. Still have a little curve right there. Whoops. And I forgot, I needed to turn down my flat iron a little bit. Second day hair, you don't usually need your flat iron quite as hot because you already have product in your hair. So you want to be careful with that. So let's see here. For the back, I am just going to use the flat iron to further kind of define and just kind of settle down that back section a little bit. Okay, so now you can see second day hair, especially if you've got color treated hair, can look a little dry and frizzy. We are going to go in with Shine Spray today, but I am going to add just a little bit more, tiny little bit more of the Enjoy Dry Wax. And we're going to use this to kind of tame this crazy area right here in the back. So with that distributed on my hands, I am going to work that through the back and then pull down and just almost like I'm curling those pieces downward. And I'll do the same over here. I'm looking in my mirror. Hopefully you can see what we're doing here. And then over in the front here, I am going to just use what's left on my hands to further shape. And if you need to add just a touch more, and when I say a touch more, just wipe your fingers in that wax. You really don't want to get too much wax on your hair, especially on second day. So I'm going to now just kind of use this to kind of bring in some texture, rub my fingers at the scalp, the roots, just to get a little more lift. Sometimes the second day hair wants to not be quite as fluffy and full. And then I'm going to then just use what's left on my hands, work through the crown here, add a few little spikes, and then pull down the sides. And then right at the base of the hair, I am going to add a tiny little bit of wax and just make sure that this lays flat. I am just days away from my next cut, so the edge is starting to get a little unruly. So just going to try and tame that a little bit. And let's see, check out the back one more time. Okay, and then I'm going to go through and just add as little hairspray as possible, right? Because second day, you don't want to go overboard with this either. So a couple of sprays through the front. We have the ice cream truck driving through, of course. Yes, it's the dead of winter, but in Southern California, ice cream is an everyday thing, I guess. All right, and again, as I get to that back section, I am just curving under. So I'm using my fingers just to kind of give it a little bit of a curve. So it's been a little unruly back there this last week or so. So trying to figure out what I'm going to be doing this next cut. And you can see I'm just kind of turning that curled portion, just kind of using it to frame the edge of my face there. And I think that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to go in with the Hemp and Red Wine, this is by Agadir, Gloss Spray Treatment. I really love using this, especially on second day hair, because I feel like that's when my hair really needs a little extra shine. So I am going to spritz this a couple times here and just give the hair a little added shine so it looks nice and clean. All right guys, so here is the finished look. You can see this back section is all nice and full. We don't have any remnants of bed head. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. For those of you who have a similar style, hopefully I gave you some ideas. And again, for me personally, I think that the Enjoy Dry Wax is one of the best products, not only for first day hair, but for second day as well, because you can use that blow dryer to reinvigorate it and to warm it up and make it pliable again. So you don't have to use as much product in your hair the second day. So if you're looking just to shave off some time as you're getting ready for Christmas or the holiday season, or you just need to shave off some time on your work mornings, hopefully this was helpful. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!